Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Welcome back to Everything Data Analytics, and also I officially welcome you to the second half of this year. Welcome to second half of 2026. We are officially in the second half of 2026, and I just feel that I need to share some things to my subscriber. I know a lot of us may be feeling overwhelmed. What have I achieved? What have I achieved so far in the year 2026? What is my goal? Have I achieved my goal, part of my goal, or I've not even done anything? You may be seeing some people first half of the year, or goals, what they've achieved, and some might be feeling overwhelmed. I just want to ask you something, that to my subscriber, how is the year going? Breathe, breathe, breathe. How is the year going? Are you where you thought you would be now, or you are feeling overwhelmed, or you are feeling left behind? Maybe you started this year with big goals. You have big goals written down. You promised yourself that you will learn a new skill. You said you will become more consistent, more efficient, more productive. You plan to grow in your career, businesses. You plan to grow in your finances or faith. But somehow life happened. Yes, like the Bible says, our ways are not the way of God. He knows the best way to us. Maybe things just didn't go the way you have planned. Yes, things that not go the way 90% of what most people, things don't go the way they plan. Maybe you get distracted. Maybe you get overwhelmed. Yes, oh Lord, this year I've been so overwhelmed in so many ways. Sometimes I'm not consistent. Sometimes I got distracted. Sometimes I get overwhelmed. Started strong and just lost the momentum. But here is what I want to remind you today is, you are not alone, and you are not the first that will not be consistent. You are not the first that will be overwhelmed. You are not the first that will get distracted, and you are not the first that started strong and lost momentum. I want to tell you today that you will not be the last. And again, 2026 is not even over. It's not over. You still have six good months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 good months. That is enough time to make meaningful progress. That is enough time to make impactful growth. You do not need to wait for next year January again. You know, the new year, new resolution. No, you do not need to wait for next year January. You can reset today. You can start now as you are listening to this video. You can start now. You can reset today. You can start again today. You can become disciplined. Now, as you enter the second half of this year, I want you to do 3 things, which I will also have planned to do that. I've started. This is what I started. I started this thing in the first half. Reflect, ask yourself now, what worked in the first half of this year? Ask yourself, what worked in the first half of this year? Then what didn't work? Now, that is your reflection. I want you to do 3 things: reflect, refocus, and execute. So under reflection, ask yourself, what worked first? What worked in the first half of this year, and what didn't work? Now refocus. Pick 1 or 3 goals. See, I will advise you, don't let your goals to be too much. When it's too much, you will just be doing half projects. Pick one thing. I will advise you, stay close to God, pray, believe Pick one thing, and I believe that whatever you pick, God will align it towards every other thing. You say you want to be consistent in one thing. You want to be consistent in doing something, in doing one thing. I am so sure that your path will be aligned to every other thing. So pick one or 3 goals that truly matter, not 20 goals. In fact, not 100 goals, just focus. Focus on one, then execute. Execute. Small, consistent action will always beat big intention. So you have to be consistent in small. You have to be consistent in little before you can beat big intention. Be consistent in small action. Small action might be small action of waking up in the morning, pray. Yes, I know you do that. It might be small action of maybe you want to learn a skill. It might be small action of reading. It might be 10 minutes a day. You will realize that what you have gained at the end of the month or at the end of the week. It might be small action in learning a new skill. Then pick a YouTube tutorial, and if it is 15 minutes per day or 10 minutes, you will see how far you have gone. You don't need perfection condition to begin. At all, you don't need perfection condition to begin. All you need is to just start. Start from where you are. Start with what you have. That's one thing I learned from my pastor, Pastor Sam Adeyemi. Tell you start from where you are and with what you have. Start from where you have and with what you have. Yes, you can remember in Bible that most of the people God used what they have. Example, Moses, God used the staff in his hand to lead the Israelites. God will use what you have to take you to your next level of breakthrough. So to my data community, if your goal is to learn Excel, SQL, Power BI, or become a data analyst, maybe you are just starting to enter into tech, this is your reminder to keep going. One course, one project, one skill at a time. Please, one course, one project, one skill at a time. The second half of 2026 can still become your best season yet. Yes, the late bloomer still bloom. Your growth will compound. I believe in you. I believe in your growth, and I am rooting for you. If this encourages you, comment below. I am starting. I am restarting. And tell me one goal you are working on this second half of the year. If you need any help in starting or improving your career in data analytics, you can feel free to reach out to me on LinkedIn or via my or Gmail. Thank you for listening, and stay tuned in this place. 2026 is not yet over. The first half may have not gone exactly as well, but you still have time to reset, refocus, and execute. Second half of 2026 can be transformational for you, and I believe in your growth. Stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button now. Click it and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.